Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I've got a package from Lockpicking Gal.
Woohoo! It's finally arrived.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Puppy Locks is very interested in it.
Yeah, there's been many delays along the way for one reason or another, and it has been in the post for
6 weeks. Nearly 7. Not nearly.
so say it's been about 2 months.
Yeah, it's nearly been 2 months.
Let's see what we've got. Got some stickers.
I like them stickers. They're cool. I think they're the ones you stick on your car.
Bumper stickers.
I'm going to stick these on my bumper.
Got some packaging material.
Oh God, it's bubble wrap.
Some more packaging material. A
Paper.
bit more.
It's paper.
Packaging
Paper.
material.
Get off, puppy.
What's this? It says, oh, cam locks. I remember seeing these in a video
You need to
What
stop
is-
being Nebby, little one.
in a lot of pieces. I'll have a look at that again in a bit. It's the kind of thing you put in like lockers and stuff.
You can build it yourself.
Got a police security. I think I seen
Stop being Nebby, you.
I think I seen Evil Arch Conservative picking one of these the other day. I wonder if that came from Lockpicking Gal as well.
And there's security. It's got a policeman on it. That's so cute.
One of these marks.
I love how you just say one of these like they know what it is.
It's because I don't know what it is, because these are quite American and I'm quite British.
Oh, quite British, are
Quite
you?
British.
Yeah, British. Let me see. Some marks there. I think this might be like a front door lock or something.
I have an American 1100.
Look at the bit. Did you look at the bitten
I
on it?
did. That bitten's quite good.
A what lock?
American 1100.
It's
Some pretty decent bitten, I know.
This puppy's so excited thinking he's getting stuff.
You're not getting anything.
It's totally been ruined by the package from was it Froggy Picker? They sent him the puppy food, the treats. He proper loved them treats.
They're all gone now, though. You ate them all.
There's still some left. They're in his treat pouch.
As well, we also have
A special one.
this. This is actually from the Kindness Lock competition that we won the lock from.
Oh, that was a while ago, wasn't it?
That was quite some time ago. But I'm quite excited about this one because this is a first for us. Actually, it's a few firsts for us. All you're about to say. You don't remember this, do you? I've been excited about this lock. This is
Keys.
keys.
These keys are these keys.
Oh, that's some mean bitten.
You're gonna have fun with it.
And there's one of them. I don't know what that's for.
What is it?
It's like a cable thing.
Turn it into a cable lock.
That.
That's a big lock.
Yeah, but look.
Oh, it's etched. Oh, that's mint.
So it's our first pack lock and our first logo lock.
That's so cute. I like that.
So do I.
It's really cute.
So I've been quite excited about that one.
I'm not surprised. It's cute. I want one. Well, we've got one, but
I need to,
test it.
yeah.
Oh, that's different. Let me see. I want to see. I'll show you, but it's an F. Look, wall is an F.
It's an F wall, is it?
It's an F wall, yeah.
What are you laughing at? I was talking about like on a violin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 thingies on it.
Oh, I don't think it's a 7-pin.
Well, there's 7 pinholes. See? 7. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I thought it was a 5-pin. It's actually a 6-pin. The last pin will just be a return pin.
Oh. That's cool. I like the sound of that.
I like the look of it.
Special. It's cool. I like how it's got the logo on it. It's a really cool lock.
What's the date?
Key different. What do you mean? Today's date? All date.
Yeah.
23rd?
If I can learn to pick it soon, I'll be able to enter this month's Panda Frog
Panda
coin.
frogs.
He's doing a coin, like every month we give away of a coin.
A coin? What kind of coin?
A Panda Frog coin.
Oh. I quite like collecting coins at the moment. Like, they were quite cool, the coins that Evil Arch sent. I like them coins. I like old coins around the coin boxes. I like coins. Makes me feel rich.
Feel, but not actuality.
If only. Maybe if we get millions of subscribers, we can be rich.
I'm gonna have to figure out what the story is with this, because it looks like many pieces of a lock that need to be put together.
I'm gonna stick these stickers places too.
So yeah, it's been excited for this package and happy it's arrived. It's made my day.
These took your headache away.
No,
Oh.
the nap that I'm going to have after we finish this might.
Who might it now?
Thank you very much, Lock Pickings Gal. It is much appreciated.
Yes. I like this one. This one's mine now. The red one's mine.
You're going to pick it, are you?
I picked it already. It's mine.
Should have seen that coming.
You should have. You should know me by now. I like
Anyway.
it. It makes cool sounds.
Thank you very much. Can't thank you enough.
Truly appreciate it.
And thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, no.